Good evening, guys. Very good evening, all of you. Okay, so very good evening, all of you. First of all, let me tell you that like yesterday, we are going to cover all the types of questions in this. Not only, this section, that is simplification, arithmetic section will also be covered. Okay, not only simplification, quadratic and series, we are also going to take arithmetic questions over here. And you know that 20 questions, and we are going to do it with a timer. Okay, so 5 questions from each of the topic. Each question will teach you something really interesting over here. Ambuj, Lucky, yes. Very good evening, all of you. Very good evening. Okay, so am I audible to all of you? Yes, I think I am audible. Okay, so quickly, guys, all of you, before we start, can you please share the session? Make it a count of 50 so that you will enjoy solving this quiz with me. Yes, I want all of you to quickly share the session once before we start. Can you do that so that we can start over here? Anshu, yes, very good evening. Ambuj, very good evening, guys. Very good evening, all of you. So, quickly, all of you, make it a count of 50 so that we can start over here. Selvi, very good evening. Okay, so perfectly fine. So, I want all of you to, have you tried yesterday's homework question? I had given 2 questions based on quadratic equation over there, if you remember. Have you tried those 2 questions? Yes, so we are going to start with the quadratic equation part itself today over here. Okay, so we will start with quadratic equation. We will also cover few questions based on number series, 5 questions based on arithmetic, and as we are going to do the questions based on the quadratic equation as well. So all the topics, these are very important for your exam. 90 to 95% paper will come only from this. Are you getting my point? So all of you, please share the session. All of you, please share the session, guys. We are not even 10 now. Please share the session. Make it a count of 50. Then we are going to start. Okay, so this was the homework question over there. Have you tried this question? Have you tried this question over here, which is there on your screen over here? Yes, very good evening. Anto, Ambuj, Selvi, yes. Very good evening. So first question, this was yesterday's homework question over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. So guys, still we are even not only 20 also. Please guys, once please share the session in all the groups so that we can start. Yes. Perfect. So let me see who is getting the answer for first question over here. First question is there on your screen and your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Ashu, Akshay, they are saying A option. Okay, I got the first answer over here, A option. What about others? What about others? You have to follow the time as well, guys. Okay, because timer is really important over here in your this exam. The maximum role will be played by timer itself. So I want all of you to check out. Akshay is saying x is less than y. Very good, very good. What all are the values of x that you are getting? Yes, Akshay, Ashu, what all are the values of x over here? Let me see who knows this concept of a square value over here. Yes, any one of you? When you are saying x square is equal to 144, what would be the value for x over here? Yes, any one of you? Anto, Akshay, Ashu? It is plus 12 and Ashu is saying plus 13. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Anto, please check out the concept over here. It is plus and minus 12 in this case. But when you are talking about 13, it is just plus 13, guys. Okay, it is just plus 13. Akshay, Ashu, perfect answer by all of you. So, especially when you are writing the square root value, you have to take the positive value itself. Are you getting my point over here? Especially when you are talking about a square root value. Yes. Just a second. So let me see who all are getting the answer. Yes, so other people can try the question over here till then. Just a second, guys. I think just give me 2 seconds of time. There is some issue at my end over here. Yes, so others all can try this one. Okay, perfect answer by many of you. Perfect answer, guys. Very good. SBI PO final result expected date. Okay, so I'm not sure about that. And actually, you should not wait for final result. I think you should, prepare for the next exams. Because final result is anyways, you need not do anything after that. But when you are waiting for any notification, you need to prepare it right now itself. Deepak Kumar, Dhruv, perfect answer, guys. A is the perfect answer over here. Let us quickly discuss how we are going to do this. Here there is small and important concept over here. When you are writing x square is equal to 144, you know that when you have 2 power over here, you are going to get 2 roots in this case, positive as well as negative root over here. You are going to get positive as well as negative root both in this case. So that is nothing but x will be equal to plus and minus 12 both. Are you getting it? This type of question will surely be there in your exam. Trust me guys, one or other question are definitely there every year. So please remember this part. When you are talking about a square value, you are going to get both of the values. Lokesh, Dhruv, yes, perfect answer. Let us quickly move on to the next part. When you are talking about a square root value over here, please remember square root function always gives positive value as the output. Square root function always gives positive value as the output over here. So y value is going to be positive 13 in this case. Y value is going to be only positive 13 over here. Now when I am comparing the roots in this case, easily I can see here, this is minus 12, this is plus 12, these are your x value over here. What about y? Y value is nothing but 13 value over here. So you can say y is greater than x, that is nothing but A option would be the answer here. A would be the perfect answer in this case. Are you guys following my point? Yes, everybody is getting my point over here. Y is greater than x would be the final answer in this. Perfect answer by many of you. Very good guys, very good. Let us quickly move on to the first question over here. Sorry, second question which is there on your screen. Here you have to keep track of the coefficient of x square and y square. Ma'am, is this the first question? Yes, yes. Pulomi, this is the first question. I was just discussing the homework itself. So Dhruv, Pulomi, Lokesh, guys, please share the session. I can see many of you have joined late also. So if any of your friends is missing, do tell them also to join, because I'm going to cover, like yesterday, we are going to cover conceptual questions only. Okay guys, so for your RBI exam guys, practice is utmost of importance. Are you getting it? So you have to keep track that you are practicing every day, and especially quadratic, number series and simplification are the most important topic in your exam. This will give you sure shot marks. So I want all of you to check out this quiz every day at 9 p.m. Okay, can you try this question? The next question is there on your screen. Here I want to see who all knows this concept over here. Paul, very good evening, very good evening. Dhruv, x is less than or equal to y. I got the first answer by Dhruv here. He is saying x is less than or equal to y over here. Okay, what about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the value? Akshay, Ashu, Dhruv, perfect answer guys. B would be the perfect answer. Excellent performance by many of you. Very good guys, very good. Those who are getting B as the answer here. Ambuj is also getting it. What a performance. Very good. How will you calculate this value? Can you quickly tell me the roots over here? When you are calculating this, it is 8x square plus 6x minus 5 over here. Can any one of you tell me what would be the roots in this case? Can any one of you tell me what will be the roots in this case over here? First equation, Harshita, Ambuj, yes. B would be the perfect answer, but I want to know the roots over here. Can any one of you tell me what would be the roots over here? Yes, when you are calculating the value, that is nothing but 10, 5. You can see 40 is the value. 10 4s are 40 over here. You are going to get 10 and 4 as the root. Yes, and you have to be careful about the sign. Dhruv is getting the perfect value. Very good. So Harshita, you need to be sure about the sign as well. Whatever is sign present here, whatever is the middle sign, that will go with a smaller root, other will become negative. Minus 10 comma positive 4. minus 10 comma positive 4. What about the next value over here? You can observe this is nothing but 96 in this case. Yes, you can calculate the roots for the second one. That is nothing but 16 6. You are perfectly correct, as this is negative sign. Both of my roots will be positive. Both of my roots will be positive. That is nothing but plus 16 and 6 over here. Are you guys getting my point? Now how will you make this 24? You have to multiply this by 3 and you have to multiply this by 2 over here. Everybody is getting my point? You have to multiply first one by 3, second one by 2 over here. So what will you get? Minus 30 comma 12, and when you are checking this value, it is 32 comma 12 over here. Everybody is getting my point? So minus 30 comma 12, 12 comma 32. So if you are checking your value over here, this is minus 30 positive 12, that is x value over here. What about y value? Positive 12 and 32, that is y value. So I can say y is greater than or equal to x. Y value is greater than or equal to x would be the perfect answer over here. Very good guys, those who had given the answer. Is this part clear with everyone how we are comparing? So I especially want you to know this value whenever you are talking about different values of a coefficient. Okay, please remember you have to multiply by those coefficient cross values over here. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question now. Next question is there on your screen. Your timer starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer. So guys, let me tell you that for like we are doing it here, we are going to launch a really good batch, that is a combined LPS batch. Okay, in LPS also you will have timer, you have to submit the option. Your performance will be evaluated based on that, and you can calculate, you can compare your performance with other students as well. So I have already written it on the screen. You can see this prelim practice batch, you are going to get it for 839 if you are using my name as the code. Okay, because I am taking this quiz only for a quant over here. If you want to know about other section performance as well, that will really help you out. Every day 7 to 9 p.m. that quiz is going to be there. Okay, I want all of you to check out combined LPS batch. Really good practice batch guys. That is the need of your RBI assistant exam over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer. Selvi is saying x is less than or equal to y. I got the first answer by Selvi here. Selvi, Hanif, yes. Savita, B option. Okay, what about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer over here? Anyone else is getting the answer over here? Yes. Savita is also saying B option. No relation. Okay. Lokesh is saying no relation over here. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer in this? B option. Okay, I can see I am getting multiple options in this. Let us check out how we are going to go about this. Okay, let us check out how we are going to approach this question over here. Simon is also saying B option. Very good. So let us check out what is the answer. All of you please pay attention over here. As we are saying x square equal to 16, just now I told you whenever you have 2 as the power, it will end in positive as well as negative root both. It will end in positive as well as negative root both over here. And when you are checking this value, as constant term is positive, as your constant term is positive, sum should be equal to 9. So what will be the value? 5, 4 over here. Your root value will be 5, 4. Now easily you can compare it on a number line. What will you get? This will become minus 4 plus 4. That is for x over here. What about y? Positive 4, 5. That is y value. So y is either greater than or equal to x. What is the value? Y is either greater than or equal to x. Abhirami, Arjit, Polomi. Very good guys. Very good. Perfect answer is B option. Lokesh, please check out your answer. Yes, B would be the perfect answer over here. Anyone else is having doubt? Yes, anyone else is having doubt in this? Yes, perfectly clear to all of you. Simon, Polomi. So guys, still we are not even 30. I want all of you to quickly share the session. Even now you can share it because we are just on to the first section here. Can you do that? Yes, quickly share the session with your friends. Okay, let me see who is getting this one right now. Yes, so here again new concept is there compared to the previous question. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Can you just try this one? Can you try this question which is there on your screen over here? Let me see who all are getting the answer in this case. Okay. So guys, you are left with last 10 seconds over here. Let me see who will get the final and correct answer. So guys, when you are attempting this quiz, I want all of you to write down from 1 to 20 and check out your performance. Ashu, Bhanudeep, A option. Very good. Dhruv is also saying A. Simon, A option. What a performance, guys. Very good. In 30 seconds itself, you guys got the answer over here. Really good performance by many of you. Very good. Akshay is getting it. What about others? Akshay is also saying A option over here. Can you tell me the roots? Polomi is getting it. Very good. What about others? What will be the roots over here? You have to just check out 14 2s are 28. Now I know that 28 means I am going to get 7 into 4 as the value. Are you getting it? As this is positive sign, this will become minus 7 comma minus 4. It will become minus 7 comma minus 4. Yes, Dhruv, you are perfectly correct. Polomi is also getting it. And what about the second one? 9 4s are 36. You know that. How will you get 36 value over here? Yes, 6 into 6 will give me sum of 12 and product of 36 over here. So what will you get? Minus 6 comma minus 6. Are you getting it? Now as I told you, whenever coefficients are different, what you have to do? Take the LCM of 2 and 4 over here. What you have to do over here? Take LCM of 2 and 4. So what will you get from this? Here first one you have to multiply by 2. Second one you have to multiply by 1. Are you getting it? First coefficient you have to make both of them as 4. So multiply first one by 2, second one by 1 over here. So what will you get from this? This will become minus 14 comma minus 8 and this will become minus 6 comma minus 6 over here. Everybody is getting this part? Everybody is getting this part over here. Now how will you compare the values? You can just draw it on a number line. This will become minus 14 comma minus 8 and second value will be minus 6 comma minus 6 over here. So definitely I can say that y value will be more than x value. Very good performance by many of you. Really good performance by many of you over here. Very good guys. Those who got this one. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Let me see who is getting the answer over here. Next question is there on your screen. So you have to check out the roots first and tell me the value. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Yes. Yes, you are perfectly correct about the roots. Polomi, can you try the next question which is there on your screen? Yes, C and D. Dhruv, Harshita, yes, they are saying C and D. What about others? Simon is also saying E option. Okay. Okay, are you sure? Sheikh is also getting it. Very good. Bhanu, Hanif, very good guys. E is the perfect answer over here. What a performance by all of you. Yes. How will you calculate it? Can you tell me the roots? Can you tell me the roots over here? Yes. If you are checking out the roots, that will become 3 and 2 over here. Are you getting it? Now this sign will go with a smaller root 3 comma minus 2. What about this over here? If you have to solve 4 2s and this will go with a smaller root, it will become 4 comma minus 2. Now let me tell you directly there is trick applicable in this question over here. Yes, if you are aware, you need not follow all this procedure. There is direct trick to solve these type of question over here. Are you getting it? What is the trick? Yes, you are perfectly correct. Polomi, Harshita, you have to just check if both the coefficients are negative or not. Are you getting it? When both of your constant values are negative, your answer is going to be C and D or relation cannot be established. Are you getting it? Especially when your constant terms have negative over here, your answer is going to be relation cannot be established. What a performance by all of you. And guys, in your exam, 1 or 2 questions will be directly based on this trick over here. So please do not miss out the trick. Here you can save maximum of your time. Are you guys getting my point over here? Everybody is clear with this part? Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Can you give this question a try? Can you try this one? Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes. Ashu, Dhruv, x is greater than or equal to y. Okay. What about others? Sheikh, Dhruv, Bhanu, Simon, A option or D option? Okay, I am getting multiple answers now. Simon is saying A option. Akshay, D option. Harshita, D option. Okay, very good guys. D is the perfect answer over here. Very good. Very good. D is the perfect answer for this question, and I'm really happy you got your answer within time in this case. Perfect answer, those who could do it. Yes. How will you approach this? All of you now, please pay attention over here. Let us quickly discuss how we are going to go about this. So here it is cube root of 512. Please remember, whenever you are talking about square root or cube root, you are always going to get positive value only. So this is nothing but positive 8 only. Are you getting it? This value is going to be positive 8 only. When you are talking about a square value, whenever it is square over here or even power, not only square, any even power, 2, 4, 6, 8, you have to always take both roots, that is positive as well as negative both. You have to take positive as well as negative both. So this will become negative 8 and plus 8 over here. Now when you are comparing the value, what will you get? Y value will be minus 8 plus 8 over here. This is your Y value. What about X? X value is positive 8. So what will you get? X is greater than or equal to Y. What would be your answer over here? X is greater than or equal to Y. Really good performance by all of you. All of you got it right. Very good, guys. So I hope all of you are checking out your performance on your own as well. Out of 30 questions, how many you are getting right, how many you are getting wrong, and where exactly you are making mistake. Are you getting it? So it will help you to analyze your mistakes as well. Let us quickly move on to the last question of quadratic now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one, and that too correct answer. Your timer starts now. Yes. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Next question is there on your screen over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Ashu is saying E option. Okay. Sheikh is saying E option. What about others? Bhanu is also saying E option over here. Very good. What about others? Akshay, Bhanu, very good, guys. Follow me. C or E? Paul is also getting the perfect answer over here. E would be the perfect answer. Cannot be determined is the perfect answer over here. Very good, guys. Those who got it in time over here, you need to check out your answer. You need to check out. Are you sure it is E? Yes, I'm just checking. Are you sure it is E? Few of you are saying B, few of you are saying C. I do not think E is the answer. I really do not think E will be the answer. Can you check out again? Yes. Can you check out again whether it is correct or not correct? Yes. So guys, especially for these type of question, you need to be very sure. Okay, when you are giving the answer, please do not commit any mistake in the quadratic equation part. Are you getting it? So when I am telling it is wrong, you guys are thinking that it might be wrong. So that is not a confidence. Are you getting my point? So for these type of question, you should be 100% sure that what would be the answer, and that will happen when you are sure about your concept over here. How will you do this? This value is nothing but plus and minus 16 both. This value is going to be plus and minus 16 both over here. Now when you are calculating this value, it is y plus 4 is equal to positive negative 0. Now you know that 0 cannot come with a sign. You know that 0 cannot come with a sign. So y value will be minus 4 in this case. What would be y value? Minus 4 over here. When you are talking about x value, it is positive as well as negative 16 over here. When you are talking about x value, it is positive as well as negative 16 over here. Are you guys getting my point? Now you can easily compare the roots on the number line. So what will you get? This will become negative 16, positive 16. That is your x value over here. What about y value? It is only minus 4. There is overlap at this point. So what would be my answer over here? Cannot be determined. You guys were perfectly correct. You guys were perfectly correct. Are you getting my point? ध्रुव प्लस और माइनस 4 नहीं होगा. Why it will not be minus and plus 4? आपका जो भी वेरिएबल ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर होता है, that is going to be positive and negative value both. Are you getting it? Are you getting my point? So this bracket value will give you positive and negative 0. It will not be positive and negative 4 over here. Everybody is getting my point? लॉजिकली भी ध्रुव अगर आप सोचोगे, इफ यू आर राइटिंग y इज इक्वल टू 4, ये आपका 8 स्क्वायर बनेगा, विच इज नॉट 0. लॉजिकली ऑल्सो इफ यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस ओवर हियर, you can see that you are never going to get that as the answer. Are you guys getting my point? Yes? Can you say it again? Okay, Lokesh, in this case, you have to simply remember whenever you are talking about 0 as the value, you have to remember positive and negative क्यों आएगा क्यों नहीं आएगा. So ये आपका जो आप जब ये you are saying x square equal to 4, this value will give you positive or negative value of this. Same value you have to follow here as well. So when I'm talking about this, y plus 4 will be equal to positive negative 0. A positive negative roots value possible ही नहीं है. Are you getting my point? Everybody is getting my point. Okay, you are talking about x value. Okay, you are talking about x value over here. Okay. Yes, you are right. I didn't check x square value. You are right, guys. Yes, I think you are right. Let us check out the value again. Yes, I made the mistake. I did not notice this part over here. So here you have to write down x square equal to 16 over here. You are perfectly correct. Okay, x square value will be equal to plus 16. Now this will give you positive and negative 4. I just missed out the square part. You are right. Okay, and what about the second root? This would be minus 4 over here. So you can check out your roots in this case. This will become minus 4 and this will become minus and positive 4. You are right. So what would be the answer in this? X is greater than or equal to y. What would be your answer over here? X is greater than or equal to y over here. Yes, Dhruv, Vishal, you are right. I just missed out that square part in this. Are you getting my point? Because I was thinking about putting only single question and that confusion happened. Okay, I think it is clear now. Everybody is clear with this part? Okay, perfect. Let us quickly move on to the next part over here. Now 5 questions based on arithmetic. Okay, now yesterday also we discussed few questions. Today intentionally I have taken different topics over here so that we will get good revision in this session. Are you getting my point? Okay, ma'am, please cover indices part in simplification. Okay, Vinay, I have already covered that in last class. I think you are part of my paid batch, RBI assistant batch. I had already covered the indices part in the last class itself. Okay. So if you need more practice, guys, let me tell you, we are going to launch a practice batch from 4th of March over here. I want all of you to check out from 4th of March, there is combined LPS batch. In that batch, every day from 7 to 9 p.m, we are going to run a combined LPS session. First quant would be there, then reasoning, then English. With the timer, you are going to solve and you can evaluate your performance with other students as well. I want all of you to check out. 839 is the price if you are using Priyanka as the code over here. Bhanu, Akshay, they are saying 35 as the answer. Very good performance, guys. Before time itself, you got the answer over here. Amudha, Akshay, SK, very good. 35 is the perfect answer. Who all are getting it? Yes, who all are getting the answer over here? Perfect one. Polomi is also getting it. Very good. Okay, so how will you go about this question? I am going to tell you a really good trick over here based on the ratio method. Yes, Lokesh, that is the reason we are trying to cover, all the types of question in the practice. So that all questions will go through, before you, through your hands, that you will understand what all things you have to do before the exam. Saurav is getting it. Anto, Vinay, very good, guys. Really good performance by all of you. How will you do this? So here this is nothing but milk is to water ratio is 3:2. All of you please pay attention. I don't know how you have approached it. So milk by water, that is nothing but 3x upon 2x. Now 7 liter milk is added, so I can write down 7. Ratio becomes 2/1. Cross multiply the value. What will you get in this? This will become 4x. You can solve this. X is nothing but 7 over here. So what is asked in your question? They are asking you what is the initial quantity in the mixture. How much is the initial quantity? 5x is the initial quantity. 5 into 7, that is nothing but 35 liters would be the answer. 35 liters would be the answer over here. Now this is the basic way to do this. This is the basic way to do this question over here. I am going to tell you really good trick. I am going to tell you really good trick over here. I want all of you to please pay attention. How will you do this? This is nothing but milk is to water. All of you please pay attention now. This session is very good. Thank you so much, Saurav. I hope you are enjoying this. So I want all of you to share this so that, guys, everyone can practice along with us and you will also enjoy it more. That is the only reason. Please, guys, if possible, please share it with your friends also every day 9 p.m. Perfect. So let us discuss this now. Here they have given 3:2 liter is the ratio. Now you are adding milk over here. Are you getting it? In this container you are adding milk over here. So can I say water will remain same? Can I say that water will remain same over here? Now how will you do this same? You have to multiply this ratio by 2 and this ratio by 1 over here. Are you getting it? Water value will remain same. So orally you can say this will be 3:2. This will be 4:2 over here. Now what is given? 7 liter of milk is added. So how much milk is added? 1 unit is equal to 7 liter. 1 unit is equal to 7 liter. So they are asking you what is the initial quantity? 5 units is the initial quantity. Are you getting it? 5 units is the initial quantity. 5 into 7, 35 liters would be the answer. Everybody is following this part? Everybody is following this part over here. I think it is clear to all of you. Yes, very good guys, very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question is there on your screen based on pipe and cistern over here. Let me see who all are getting this question over here. Yes, let me see who all are getting this question over here. Next question is there on your screen. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Yes, you need to follow the timer as well. I want all of you to follow the timer as well. So guys, after the session, I am going to share the PDF on my Telegram group. The Telegram group name is Quant Made Easy by Priyanka ma'am. Okay, so everyday whatever classes are there, I am sharing that as well in that group. So I want all of you to check out and join it so that you will, if you miss out the session, you will get a reminder there that session is going on. Okay, Ashu, Bhanu, Akshay, Simon. Okay, very good. I am getting the first answer here as 5 over here. Very good. Ashu, Akshay, Bhanu, 5 is the perfect answer over here. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer here? Yes, anyone else is getting the answer in this? Perfect answer, guys. Let us quickly discuss how we are going to do this. Really interesting question based on the LCM diagram over here. Now, if any one of you is not aware about the LCM diagram, definitely you have to join the basic batch. Then only you will understand it. Okay, you are teaching and answering to question. Amazing. Thank you so much, Lokesh. Hope you are enjoying the session. Okay, please pay attention over here. A and B can fill the tank in 12 and 18 hours over here. Okay, now when you are solving it using the LCM method, you have to take the LCM of both the values. That is nothing but 36. This is going to be the capacity of the tank over here. This is going to be capacity of the tank over here. This will become 12 threesa and 18 twos. Now both are filling pipe. What is given in your question? Both the pipes are opened simultaneously. After how much time A should be closed over here? Now please pay attention over here. You know that A is closed. That means this A pipe is working for T time over here. Whereas B is working for full time. You know that B is working for full time. So what will you write in this case? 2 multiplied by 10.5, because this is the efficiency of your B value and it is opened for 10.5 hours. This is equal to total capacity of the tank. Are you getting it? That is nothing but 21 equal to 36, 3T over here. Easily you can say T value is going to be 5 hours over here. Only this equation is a really important equation. Are you getting my point? How you are writing this equation, that will play a really important role in this question. Perfect answer by many of you. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Let me see who all are getting this one. Yes, can you give it a try? Next question is there on your screen. I want all of you to quickly try it. Yes, how will you do this question over here? Next question is there on your screen over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer in this. So guys, try to follow the timer as much as possible. For arithmetic question, you may need 30 to 40 seconds. You may need some little bit more time. But at the same time, you should compensate it in the other sections. Okay, like quadratic you can save it. Number series you can save. Okay, so likewise those things also you can try to follow from this live quiz over here, which is with a timer. Okay, let me see who will get the answer. Should I explain you? Should I explain you? This much time is not at all needed for this question. Yes, a really good question based on the mixture and alligation. Question is based on mixture and alligation over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you try it? Yes. Can you try this one? Follow me. Ashu 75 kg. C or D option? Dhruv is also saying 75. Okay. Let us discuss this. All of you please pay attention over here. First of all, whenever you are drawing a alligation diagram, you have to only write the cost price over here. Okay, please remember this concept. Whenever you are drawing the mixture and alligation based diagram, you have to always write down cost price only. So this is 40 per kg. This is the first price over here. 50 rupees per kg. This is the second cost price. Now middle cost price I have to calculate over here. Okay, middle cost price I have to calculate. Here they have given selling price is 49 in this case. Now all of you please pay attention. How will you calculate the cost price over here? So here you have to write down cost price multiplied by multiplication factor. This is equal to selling price. Okay, this is the basic equation over here. Now we have to calculate the cost price. Now I can calculate the value of multiplication factor. How will you calculate the multiplication factor? It is nothing but 50 divided by 300. It is 50 by 300, that is equal to selling price, which is 49 in this case. Are you getting it? You are going to get your value as 7 by 6 multiplied by 49. If you are calculating this value, cost price will be equal to 42 over here. 7 6 are 42. Now we are done with our task. Are you getting it? We got our diagram. Now we are almost done with the task. This value will be 850 minus 42 and 42 minus 40 will be 2 is to 8. That is nothing but 4 is to 1 will be the ratio. Are you getting it? Yes. Dhruv, you are perfectly correct. Cost price would be 42. Now here they have given you how many kgs of a price must be mixed with 50 kgs over here. That means this value is going to be 50 kg over here. Are you getting my point? Yes. Are you guys getting? I think we have missed out one part. Okay. Yes. So here while drawing the diagram, we have made a small mistake over here. Here they have given 50 kgs there. All of you please pay attention over here. Here it is about 50 kg. So this value will be 45 kg because if 50 kg आपका quantity है, 45 rupees will be the price over here. Are you getting it? Yes. Dhruv, you are perfectly correct. You can take the ratio. This will become 3 is to 2 over here. Now you know that this is 50 kg. That means you are multiplying this by 25. So यह आपका 75 होगा. Are you getting it? This is going to be 75 over here. Everybody is getting my point over here? Everybody is following this part? So how you are drawing the diagram, that will play a really important role over here. Now where you can save time in this particular question. Okay, so in this question when you are calculating this multiplication factor, you should calculate it orally. Okay, so you can see it here 50 by 300 means ये 1 by 6 होगा. ये प्रॉफिट है तो आपको डायरेक्टली 7 by 6 करके ये प्राइस लिखनी चाहिए थी. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Yes, this is the exact level of your RBI assistant exam. You can check out previous year questions as well. Okay, Paulami, you will definitely realize it. Same questions, similar based question I am doing it. Yes, so let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Next question is there on your screen over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Next question is there on your screen over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Really good question based on speed, distance and time. Conceptual question over here. So guys, only 5 questions based on arithmetic. Then we will move on to the next part over here, that is simplification. Okay. So yes, we are going to move on to the next part over here. Ashu is saying C option. I got the first answer as C over here. What about others? What about others? All of you now please pay attention over here. Okay, thank you ma'am for the helpful sessions. Thank you so much Paulami. I hope all of you are enjoying and learning every day over here. So that is the reason every day 9 PM guys, till your exam definitely you will be benefited through this quiz over here. So you can tell your friends also. 440, very good. 440, 50 kilometer is the perfect answer over here. Perfect answer, 450 kilometer. What is given? Man completes his journey in 15 hours. All of you please pay attention over here. He travels 1/4 of the journey. That means d by 4 over here. How much will be the distance? D by 4. Now you know that how to calculate the time. How we calculate the time? It is nothing but distance divided by speed over here. It is nothing but distance divided by speed. How will you write it? D by 4 upon speed value is 15 over here, and they have given remaining journey. 3d by 4 will be the remaining journey. How much would be the remaining journey? 3d by 4 at 45 km per hour. They have given total time is 15 hours over here. What is the total time? 15 hours. Are you guys getting my point? So you can calculate the value over here. Now this is nothing but d by 4, 15 values again common. So what I am going to get? 2d by 4 and 15 here. This is equal to 15. Are you getting my point? So definitely you can multiply this and you are going to get your direct answer over here. 225 into 2, which is 450 km. Perfect answer by Dhruv here. Yes, perfect answer by Dhruv over here. Very good guys. Those who got 450 as the answer. Are you guys getting my point? Yes. You daily please follow this session guys. It will be beneficial for all of you. Because I am trying to cover really different question and 5 questions from each of the sections. So that way also you will be able to revise different topics in the session over here. I think that is correct. All of you are getting my point over here. Now here I have seen 1/4 of the value means do not take 15 by 4. I have seen student taking time as 1/4 value. They have given 1/4 means they are talking about a distance over here. So please never make these type of mistake in speed, distance, time question. Everybody is following my point? Let us quickly move on to the last question. Now this question is homework for arithmetic section over here. I want all of you to try this question as a homework and you can mention your answer in the comment box. We will move on to the next part over here. That is nothing but simplification part. 5 questions we are done with. Now we are going to move on to the next part based on the simplification. Your time starts now. I want quick answer from all of your end. Because you know that in your exam from simplification and approximation, you are literally going to get 2 to 3 minutes of time over here. Not more than that. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes of time every day. So I want all of you to, practice accordingly in practice as well. Okay, let me see who is getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Can you try this question over here? Yes. Bahanu is saying C option. Dhruv is also saying C. Very good guys. C is the perfect answer over here. Very good. Oral question. You have to practice to do it orally. Now you know that percentage can be shifted here. This will become 35, 2s are 70 over here. How will you go about this? This is 50% which is 1 by 2. This is 125 over here. Now this is 500% or I can say 5 in this case. Are you getting it? So how will you calculate it? 140 plus 125 upon 2 divided by 5 will be equal to x over here. Are you guys getting my point? So approximately you have to calculate the value now. Yes, approximately what would be the answer now? You can easily see that this will be 5. This is 6, 265 upon 2 into 5 over here. 5 5s are and 5 3s are. So what would be your answer over here? Yes, 26 would be the approximate answer. 26.5 or you can say 26 would be the answer over here. Now as the question is based on approximation, please remember do not follow any other trick like the unit digit method over here. Question is about the simplification, not simplification, it is about approximation. So please calculate it till the end. Next question, your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Okay, ma'am, RBI assistant का cut off क्या जाएगा? Google. Okay, so if you are checking the previous cut off over here, all the cut off are above 85 to 90 के करीब तो हमेशा cut off रहा है. Are you getting it? So I want all of you to think that that is what should be your target, especially when you are talking about quant. You should target full marks over here. Now how will you get full marks? With practice. With practice. That is the reason every day you should join this session over here. So definitely I feel that in 1 hour you will be able to revise all the topics over here. Rahul, B option. Ashu, B option. Very good, guys. Very good. Perfect answer over here. Perfect answer by many of you. Let me see who all are getting it. Yes? Everybody is getting this one. Everybody is getting this one. How will you do this? Orally, let us try to solve. 1700 by 100, which is nothing but 17 over here. Okay, what about this? You can see this is 5640 upon 60. If you are cancelling this value over here, you can calculate this as 94 over here. So 17 plus 94. What about this value over here? It is 10 by 12 multiplied by 72. So you can calculate the answer here as 60 over here. You will get your value as 60 over here. So what would be your final answer? You can calculate your value as 111 minus 60, which is nothing but 51 would be the perfect answer. World Queen, Sarit, Savita, Hanif, Ashu, Polomi, perfect answer, guys. B is the perfect value over here. Everybody is following this one? Everybody is following this one? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Anybody is there who is having doubt in this? Yes? Perfectly clear to all of you. Very good. Very good. Let us quickly move on to the last question of today. Let me see who all are getting this one. Last question based on the again approximation. Let me see who all are getting it. I think 2 more questions are there. Let us see. Okay, so every day from each section we are trying to cover 5 questions over here. Yes, let me see who is getting this one. Can you solve this one quickly? Yes, so question is having improper fraction over here. That is the new concept in this improper fraction value. How will you convert it into fractional value over here? Percentage to fraction conversion. Rahul is saying 100, few are saying 25. Okay, what would be the answer? Polomi is saying A option. Oh my god, I am getting multiple answers for this one. Please pay attention. How are you going to attempt this? Okay, all of you please pay attention over here. Okay, so how will you do this one? Here you have to remember this, you have to multiply. 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 divided by 300, which is nothing but 1 by 6 over here. Which is nothing but 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into 120. Are you getting it? So first you have to always do off part over here. Please remember you have to always do off part over here. It is 1 by 5 of x, which is nothing but 4 value over here. Are you getting my point? Now this off part you have to keep as it is. Please pay attention how I am solving this. This is nothing but 20 upon x by 5, which is equal to 4 over here. Are you getting it? This 5 will go here. This will become 100 by 4 is equal to x. So x value is going to be 25 in this case. So question based on the BODMAS rule. You need to be very careful which operation you are doing first. Otherwise you may end up in wrong answer as well. Are you guys following it? So I think Happy, Bhanu, Hanif, Dhruv, perfect answer guys. 25 will be the perfect answer over here. Very good. Those who got it right. Okay, let us quickly move on to the last question over here. Yes, let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Okay, Google, you need to practice for that. Every day अगर आप ये session भी attend करोगे आपके score में बहुत ज़्यादा difference आएगा. Otherwise, we have this practice batch as well. Okay guys, let me tell you guys, this practice batch, the price is 839. Compared to that, you are really going to get good stuff over here. बिकॉज आपको एग्जाम लेवल सिमुलेटेड एनवायरमेंट में प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. अदरवाइज यू मे सफर इन योर एग्जाम. ओके, सो नॉट ओनली फॉर क्वांट, इंग्लिश, रीजनिंग, एवरीथिंग 7 to 9 PM एवरी डे. अभी ऑफर भी चल रही है तो आई थिंक 839 इज नथिंग कंपेयर टू व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग इन दिस. ओके, विशाल, आशु, शेख, वेरी गुड गाइज. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी ऑप्शन ओवर हियर. वेरी गुड. D option, really conceptual question. Whenever you have same operation side by side, whenever you have same operation side by side, you have to always start from the left hand side end over here. So what will you get? This will become 30 divided by 5 over here. This is nothing but 6. So 6 divided by x is equal to 24. So what will you get from this? X is equal to 6 by 24 or 1 by 4 over here. Polomi, Savita, Hanif, very good guys. D is the perfect answer over here. Very good. Are you all following my point? Yes, more fraction based question. Definitely, Simon, I'll try to cover it in the upcoming sessions over here. Okay, I'll consider your request. I'll consider that in the upcoming sessions over here. Okay, so this is the last question as homework for all of you. So one question from arithmetic and one question from simplification for your homework over here. Okay, so that is what I have for today, guys. I'm going to share this session in the Telegram group. That is nothing but Quant Made Easy by Priyanka ma'am over here. So again, I'm telling you about this RBI assistant prelim practice batch. Okay, guys, really good batch over here. So I was telling you about these details itself. There are going to be 20 plus LPS. So from 4th of March, every day 7 to 9 p.m. First quant section would be there, then English will be there, then reasoning, and combined score you will be able to see at the end. And after that, your performance with other student can also be evaluated. So that way it will really help you out. You are also going to get mock test as well. So 20 prelim plus 10 men mock test and sectional test will also be accessible. So I think compared to the price, this is a really good deal, guys. If you're using my name as the code, you are getting maximum discount today. Okay, that is nothing but 839 would be the price. And guys, as we have completed 10 million users over here, we have extended this offer. If you are purchasing any package, like I had told you, super elite package, the price will be 2699 if you are using Priyanka as the code. But at the same time, validity is extended. Initially, this was for 6 months over here. Now it will become 10 months. So I think that in the same price, you are getting a really good deal. And guys, next 10 months, you are going to have your clerical pre, PO pre. So I think that if you are purchasing this, you need not purchase any separate batch. Even that LPS batch would be accessible to all of you. So do check out these details, guys. That is what I have for today. Any course you are trying to purchase, try my name as the code to get maximum discount. Simon, first session on Oliveboard live. Thank you so much, Simon. Hope you have enjoyed the session. So see you guys tomorrow with the same quiz at same time 9 p.m. tomorrow. Good night all of you. Take care of yourself and your family members. Bye-bye. Take care.